we bring you the answers to all your questions. Be better than others. Enjoy the benefits of knowledge. Accept the answers from us.
If you turn the ignition on and no lights come on at the instrument panel, means that there is no power coming from the battery. It could be a dead battery, or often a bad ignition switch could cause this. Check if the battery terminals look tight. If the battery is completely dead, jump starting might help.
Our mission is to provide accurate answers. We think without knowledge, it is impossible to live a balanced life. Be competent, be skillful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification.